Incoming pass by a KC-135 tanker. Stuart Airshow.
Positioning for a low-speed pass down our show line, and take a look at its low-hanging engines, which on landing provide only about 18 inches of clearance from the ground. This landing demonstration is performed to show student pilots the proper landing picture for a safe touchdown. The Stratotanker limited to 4 degrees angle of bank, making it a very challenging aircraft to land in windy conditions. C-135 works its way
C-17.
Direct our attention back to the right as Captain Butler will demonstrate the very short landing distance of the Glowmaster 3 using just over 1,000 feet of runway. Upon touchdown, the aircrew will select it to reverse thrust. You will see the C-17 as it backs up under its own power. With the touchdown watch for the nacelles to open up, and here's about as much noise as all of the maneuvers that you have seen here today are examples of those flown by the U.S. Air Force's operational aircrews on a regular basis as they provide the highly responsive and flexible air lift capability